Hello everyone, so here is Gossipgram app. It's in the top charts. Basically, it provides insights to your social media. So if you want to see more kind of analytics, yeah, that's the app. So just tap Get here. It's a free app, so just confirm the Touch ID or Face ID. And then there you have it. So you can just have like better Instagram analytics. So that's that. So then you can just open the app. It takes some time, but I think the idea is that you will just connect your Instagram account or something like that, and then it should pull up analytics from Instagram. So there you have it. So just log in with Instagram, and that's that.